Hi, I'm Laura Cisneros, and I'm an Assistant Extension Professor in the Department of Natural Resources and the Environment. I will be teaching the Environmental Conservation course at UConn's pre-college summer program. This course will introduce you to a wide range of environmental topics such as wildlife and fisheries, water and green infrastructure, and forestry. Using the UConn Forest and nearby rivers and lakes, you'll engage in field techniques and tools used by ecologists and researchers to study the environment. This includes GIS and GPS technology, water quality analyses, and live trapping and survey techniques to study fish and wildlife. We will also integrate lecture and discussions to tie these subjects to pressing conservation issues of today. Finally, we'll explore environmental career options and meet professionals from various environmental sectors. We're in for a very exciting summer, so join me for an environmental conservation adventure.